Good morning students, how are you? In this video you will learn about notice writing. So before moving on to notice writing, let me tell you what a notice is. A notice is a short piece of communication written in formal style to convey important information to a group of people in an organization. So notice is to give an information on which we pay attention, and it should be clear. In few words, the notice should be clear to the reader that what a person is trying to say. So for writing a notice, you should remember few important points. A notice is written within a box. Second, the name of the school or issuing authority is written on the top. On the top, you have to mention the name of the school, or if it is of any organization, then the name of the issuing authority. The word notice should be mentioned. After writing the name of the school, you will write the word notice in capital letters. A precise title should be clearly given to indicate what the notice is about. Precise means very accurate or exact about what the notice is. The notice must be simple and concise, and the tone must be impartial and formal. Concise means using very few words. You have to give a clear notice to the reader. You don't have to use unnecessary words while writing a notice. And the tone must be impartial. You don't have to do partiality. It should be impartial. It must contain all the relevant information related to the subject, including date, time, place, and any other details if required. In case of a lost object, the notice must include details of what was lost, when it was lost, where it was likely to have been lost, and how to return it to its owner. All these details should be there while writing the body of the notice. On the lower left bottom corner of the notice, the name and designation of the person writing the notice must be mentioned. And when you are coming to an end of the notice, you have to mention there the name, signature, and designation of the person who is writing the notice. Now I will show you the format of notice writing. Now as you can see, a box is made over here. In the box, name of the organization, institution, office issuing the notice. After that, notice will be written, and then the heading. You have to mention the heading here, means about which you are giving the notice. Then date of issue, the date on which you are writing the notice, content, signature, name, and designation of the person writing the notice. It will become more clear to you when you will read the sample. Now you are Sampada Singh, the head girl of Modern Public School. Write a notice for the students of class 6 to 8, informing them about an inter-class debate competition. Give the necessary details. As I have said, the name of the authority issuing the letter, here Modern Public School, the notice in capital letter, and the topic about which the notice is, it is about a competition. So inter-class debate competition. Then you will mention date. And now the body of the notice. This is to inform the students of class 6 to 8 that an inter-class debate competition is being organized on 24th May 2020 from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. in the school auditorium. The topic is, can computer replace books? Those interested should give their names to their class teacher by 20th May 2020. After completing the notice, signature of the writer, name, and the designation. Here Sampada Singh is a head girl, so head girl is mentioned over here. Now let's move on to the second sample. Rimjim Roy has lost a pencil box. She writes this notice to let everybody know about it and possibly find it. As I have told you, each and every detail should be mentioned in the body. So let's see. St. Mary's Convent School, notice, lost. 18th May 2020. I lost my pink magnetic pencil box on 16th May 2020. The pencil box is new and has my name written on it. I left it in the school auditorium after my drawing competition. If anyone finds it, please deposit it in the office. Rimjim Roy, class 6th B, roll number 20. Now students, you have to write the format in your copy, format of the notice writing in your copy, and then you will write sample 1. After writing sample 1 in the copy, you will do the given question. Thank you.